people are becoming more aware of staking and how you can earn yield by locking up your tokens. Well, Bifrost has an even better idea on how to make those locked up tokens no longer passive. Today, we'll explore the story behind Bifrost, and you are watching this on Polkadot Insider. We know that staking takes a huge part in DeFi innovation. Conventional staking requires participants to deposit some coins in exchange for later rewards and to generate passive income. However, a downside to staking is the lock-up time for our crypto asset, which can take less or even a year or so. In result, more than 80% of hundreds of million dollars in DeFi market were locked up for staking. Wouldn't it be amazing if liquidity could flow freely instead? Reusable and adaptable across networks, always ready for greater yields and opportunities. Introducing Bifrost, a cross-chain network designed for liquid staking. For better explaining, liquid staking meaning you can stake tokens and access liquidity at the same time. The process includes after staking your money, in returns you get a receipt of stake funds in the form of liquid staking token. This process will need a middleman to handle the work, and that's when Bifrost comes in handy. Built on Polkadot ecosystem, Bifrost enables you to mint V token, staking derivatives voucher token, which allows users exchange POS tokens to V tokens. By holding V tokens, user can now both obtain liquidity and staking rewards through Bifrost protocol at any time. Bifrost has received a Web3 Foundation grant and is also a member of Substrate Builder Program and Parity, as one out of 15 major contributors to Web3 Bootcamp. With the launch of V tokens, Bifrost aims to provide solutions to problems that occur in POS ecosystems, solving the conflicts between DeFi yields and staking rewards. Initially, it's impossible to use DeFi and staking simultaneously, as Bifrost provides an intermediate layer between staking and application layer. The problem is solved by creating a top-down compatible mechanism instead of parallel to each other. Bifrost also enables voting while staking happens. Each POS token will correspond to a different V token, such as the V.Bridging Polkadot token, VKSM Bridging Kusama token. Unlike conventional staking, which involves coin flows that are entirely passive until the previous staking procedure is completed, these transfer V tokens can be used to vote on matters of governance. Thirdly, Bifrost obtaining staking rewards in cross-chain scenarios. The key is to provide staking derivatives with a trading scenario that meets their liquidity with Bifrost built-in V token swap, which allows trading between 64 pairs in a single pool of 8 currencies. An optimal exchange path will then be opened between V token swap trading pools, where V token swap liquidity providers will receive a portion of trading fees and liquidity incentives. V token swap provides an initial liquidity scenario for V token, while the unsettled V token designs allows ideal centralized and decentralized scenario for execution to develop, making V token liquidity easier to scale. Managed in one central hub, the Bifrost XCM portal, V tokens are fully liquid. Your previously illiquid stake tokens can now be freely moved among parachains that are compatible with WASM or EVM, allowing you to lend, borrow, and use them creatively. With Bifrost, you can go beyond the boundary of staking once and for all. That's all we have for you today. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos about Polkadot ecosystem. See you in our next video.